Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
We're bringing back again.
Today I'm going through some products that you guys love, products that I know are amazing. I recommend it to people a lot, but personally I can't stand. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amaka. I am an esthetician. I am an esthetician and an entrepreneur. And on this channel, I talk about skincare and business. So don't forget to subscribe, please. And even some of you that are not new to my channel haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, please. I beg in the name of God. Let's get into it. Now, the first one on the list is Paulas BHA Toner, and I'm just using this one because I don't have the black one here. This one is the anti-redness exfoliating lotion. Pretty much, honestly, I think they work the same way. I recommend it a lot. It is a leave-on salicylic acid product, and the thing about salicylic acid is that salicylic acid helps to unclog your pores, helps you prevent congestion, fight whitehead, blackheads, even acne. Because if you understand the way acne forms, the first thing is from clogged pores, and it helps to prevent that. So it helps to maintain even the effect of a successful acne treatment. It's just an amazing ingredient, almost a must-have if you have oily skin. So it's a fantastic ingredient. In a leave-on form, it is a lot more effective, especially if you have really oily skin or really problematic or clogged pores. Now, the thing about salicylic acid is that it's a very drying ingredient, and why this Paulas Choice toner or these Paulas Choice toners, now referred to the black and this one, why they are fantastic is that they've been able to incorporate salicylic acid in a leave-on form and formulate it such a way that it would not be drying or stripping to the skin. So you get the benefit of a 2% salicylic acid without the drawback of it being drying. So it's fantastic. I recommend it a lot to people. But I don't know what it is, but this product is sticky for me. This is my experience. A lot of people don't complain about it. I don't know. Even people that have a lot more oily skin than I do, they seem to tolerate it well. But to me, oh my god, it's so sticky and gummy. Like, I've tried it. I know I've tried it several times. I really wanted to love it. Like, you know how that product that you wanted to love, because the toner I was using before then had denatured alcohol, so it was very drying. Don't come for me, I beg. We all make mistakes, please. So I needed to get something that was hydrating, and I really like my salicylic acid in the leave-on form. It works better for me. So I said, let me get Paulas Choice toner. I couldn't understand it. Like, it depended. In fact, when I knew that it had to go was when it was preventing me from using sunscreen, because in itself it felt like it never dries. It just stays on your skin. Then when you now put sunscreen on top of it, is a disaster. For me, I don't know why other people didn't experience this. So there was no news. I sold it to my friend. Like, I couldn't dash her because it was expensive. So I sold it to her for like half the price. Yeah, so I just used it like for 1 week. I couldn't stand it. So Paulas Choice, sorry. Now, an alternative to that is Naturium. So this is the one that I've been using and I absolutely love. The idea or the principle, which is giving you salicylic acid in a leave-on form that would not strip or dry you. I think it's fantastic. It doesn't, to me, in my opinion, it's not as sticky as the Paulas Choice one. It's called long story short. I just prefer it. So the next product on my list is the ordinary BHA peeling solution. And honestly speaking, I just started getting into skincare, which by the way was quite recent, maybe like 2 years ago thereabouts. This was one of the first videos I made on Instagram reviewing this product, and I loved it then. It's still a fantastic product. You are within the higher end of the Fitzpatrick skin type, deeper skin. You have to be careful of the glycolic in it. Try and limit it to maybe once a week. But yeah, so I reviewed this product. I used to see them like maybe 3 times a week. I used to really use it, really use it. And to be fair, like most times the morning after use, I used to see like a brightening. When I say brightening, a glowing effect. I saw the work. But this product burns like mad. And the first day I tried it, this thing not burnt me, but it remember when it's burning, and I won't say painful, that burning sensation, like I could not even wait. As in, I think I just stayed for like 2 minutes. I washed the face. No, I used it, then it was burning, then I went under the fan. It tripled, quadrupled, and I had to run. As I was rinsing my face, it was paining me, burning, stinging, everything. So I tried it the second time and it felt better. So I thought, okay, this product, as you use this, your skin will thicken. But no, that's not what happens. 1 minute is burning you, next time it doesn't burn, another time it burns, another time. It's like, at one point, in fact, when I knew it had to go was when, before I do, because how you use it, you use it as a mask. So you use it as for like 5-10 minutes, then you rinse it off. Anytime I want to use this product, I'll start thinking, hey Jesus, it will burn me, it will not burn me. At that point, I just told myself, no way. There's a combination of salicylic acid and a blend of AHAs. I just told myself, maybe it's AHA you wanted, the other products you can use. Is it BHA? The other products you can use. Don't come and kill yourself. Don't come and kill yourself. You have to stop. So this one doesn't work for me. So another one is the Ordinary Glycolic Toner. And I'm not coming for the Ordinary, the brand per se. Now remember, this video is all about popular products that work for you, that doesn't work for me. So for a product to fall under this category, the brand has to be popular, and the Ordinary is like really popular. Paula's Choice is really popular, and the other brands that I would call now. So this glycolic toner is not the ordinary problem. It's a glycolic problem. Glycolic acid does not work for me, and it's not a glycolic thing itself. It's an AHA thing, because the first time I tried glycolic acid was with the Pixie Glow, and it did not give me time. I used it today, the next day my face was dry and squeezed. I'm like, what was this? And that was when Pixie Glow was raining. If you're not using Pixie Glow, you are not doing anything in your skincare. Pixie Glow, you glow your life away. So yeah, as I was wondering, it's not fair now, other people are glowing, why is my own like this and stuff. And I did a little research on it, and I found out that a lot of people were attacking the product because it has some irritants, and so I told myself that okay, that must be the reason. I now went to the Ordinary Glycolic Toner. As you can see, this is my friend's own that is so fat. So as I was saying before they took light, now this is my friend's own that I'm always selling my stuff to people. So I sold it to her. Well, she has used like this, so don't think how come it's not half and she's telling me that it does not work for her. Yeah, my friend's own. So yeah, initially I thought it was a Pixie Glow thing, and I got the Ordinary. I tried it, the same thing happened. The next day my face was squeezed. Okay, I told myself, okay, maybe it's the Ordinary, and let me try the Ordinary lactic acid. I tried the Ordinary lactic acid. See it here, the same thing. So I just told myself, AHA is not for me. I just checked out, and the thing is that I got, okay, I don't have it here, I got the Naturium Glycolic Toner. I just tried it to see if it will happen, the same thing will happen, and I observed that the next day my face, I didn't feel the drying effect. But because I'm already a bit biased against glycolic acid, I didn't push it. I'm like, oh, it didn't dry me out. So in case you want to explore glycolic toners and you've been experiencing dryness from glycolic acid and you want to give it a shot again, try the one from Naturium. So another product is this one from Cetaphil, and it's the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. A lot of people like this cleanser. I've seen a lot of people. Like I don't know of a lot of Nigerians, but I've seen a lot of people like abroad. When I say abroad, I mean US or UK. No, US especially. They really like this gentle cleanser, and I get it. It's really gentle. If you have very sensitive skin, I get it. If you have a lot of active ingredients in your routine, if you are treating acne, I know a lot of ingredients that really address acne are very drying and stripping. If you have a compromised skin barrier, there are a lot of reasons why you want this cleanser. I hate it. It does not feel like it does anything. It has this ew feeling about it. I recommend it a lot though. So people, especially people with advanced mature skin, maybe people that have used organic product and their skin barrier is upside down, I give them this cleanser in addition to soothing creams and just things that will soothe their skin. But me personally, I don't like it. I hate it. To me, this is me just talking, they should have stopped with just the daily cleanser. This gentle one, oh my god. I want you to remember that this video is not about your favorite products that are not good. It's about your favorite products that did not work on my skin. skin. So it's totally different. I recommend it. Do I use it? Absolutely not. Now the last one, and definitely not the least, is this Cerave moisturizer for the body. I think it's too thick for the face. Now they have the US and the UK version. I hope I'm correct. Now the UK version is Cerave Smoothing Cream, while the US version is SA Cream. I can't remember the name, honestly speaking. But the distinctive difference is their ingredients. Now the active ingredient in the SA Cream is urea, and it has urea and salicylic acid, whereas in the US one is lactic acid. So they operate the same way. Lactic acid in lower concentration is a humectant, and in higher percentages is a gentle exfoliant. When put in moisturizers, can be very good for people that have others in keratinization, like keratosis pilaris, helps dry skin, just helps exfoliate the skin in a very mild manner. So I got this when I had my keratosis pilaris flares. You know all these skin conditions, not like they go per se, but if you are prone to keratosis pilaris, what people call chicken skin or strawberry skin, now the time when it flares out of control essentially. So I got this for that purpose. First of all, I hate the consistency. I hate it. This is the one with urea. I hate the consistency. It's so thick and annoying, and it doesn't just rub evenly. It just was so annoying. The texture, I hate the texture. And this is the UK one. I don't know if the US one is the same thing, but I solved that by rubbing it on damp skin. So if it's on damp skin, it goes on smoothly. So I thought, yeah, I've cracked something. It did not do anything. I don't understand. It did not work for me. And the thing, as I said before, now I've recommended this cream to several people, so I was convinced that it works. Why it didn't work for me is what I don't know. In fact, when I started using it, I recommended the lotion version to one of my friends because she was just stingy. This one is a bit expensive, but it was penny wise pound foolish, because that one is a lot smaller than this one. This one was just just slightly more expensive than the other one. I believe that girl. So so I recommended it to her, and it worked for her. For me, it's not douching mine. Like, I was just, what's this? I just dumped at some point, vex. I didn't finish it though. I'll finish it. My money cannot now wait. I'll finish it, but not do anything. Yeah, that's all. I still have a lot on my list, but I don't want the videos to be very long. So let me just say something. Please, if you've not tried any of these products, do not use this video and don't get it, because you literally may be missing out on a product that will change your life. I mean, your skincare life. They are fantastic, phenomenal products. They just did not work for me, and this just goes to show you that reading an ingredient does not mean it will work for you. Seeing people that something works for does not mean it will work for you. You have to try a product before you know whether or not it will work for you. That an ingredient is fantastic, that a product is fantastic, that has worked for people does not mean it will work for you, and that a product does not work for you does not mean it is bad, does not mean it's substandard. It just did not work for you. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and just share. If you have suggestions as to what you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.